HTC is taking aim at the booming smartwear market and Meta Ray-Ban's Meta line, in particular with the launch of the new Vive Eagle AI-powered glasses. Announced in Taiwan, the lightweight wearable blends voice assistant smart photography and real-time translation into fashion first frame, making a fresh push from the company best known for its VR headsets now. The Vive Eagle is HTC's vision of intelligent living, according to Charles, the firm's senior vice president. Weighing just 49 grams, the glasses hide behind their tech inside minimalistic, everyday friendly frames. Adjustable notepad, ergonomics template, and high front lenses keep them practical, while the open ear speaker design delivers private spatial audio without blocking environmental sound. At the heart is Vive AI, which is HTC's voice assistant, which works along with platforms such as OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google Gemini. It features 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera for hands-free first-person photography and videography triggered by Hey Vive Take a Photo. AI also powers real-time translation to 13 languages, turning text captured by video into spoken translation without touching the phone. They also packed in note-taking, reminder, restaurant recommendation, music playback. A 235 mAh battery promises 36 hours of standby, 4.5 hours of music playback with fast charging that delivers 50% battery in 10 minutes. Fast charging means you can power the glasses from your phone or power bank on the move. Privacy has been an important talking point for HTC. All user data is stored locally, never uploaded or used for AI training, and secured with AES 256 encryption. The visible LED indicates when the camera is recording, and camera captures stop automatically if the glasses are removed or LED is blocked. It is announced in Taiwan with Taiwan mobile and premium eyewear retailer 2020 Eye House. It's priced at 530 US dollars and comes in colors such as berry, coffee, gray, and black. You'll get a case and 2 years of Vive AI Plus included.